Today we'll learn inheritance in Java, and we'll discuss the super reference and how to call the parent's constructor in the child class. So I've created three classes: main method, book 2, and dictionary 2. So public class, book 2, protected in pages. So we've created a protected in variable named pages, and it has a protected visibility. Create a constructor, public book 2, it will take a parameter, num pages, and we'll initialize pages equal to num pages. We'll create a method, public void set pages, take a parameter int num pages. We'll set pages equal to num pages. So this is a mutator method. Then we'll create another method, public returns integer, get pages, no parameters, and it returns pages. So this is an accessor method. So we'll go to the next class, public class dictionary 2 extends book 2. So create a private variable, in definitions, what was this? Okay. Create a constructor. Which takes a parameter, num pages, and another parameter, num definitions. So we'll say, we'll use the super reference here, and we'll pass in the num pages local variable, the local parameter, sorry. So we'll say super num pages and definitions equals num definition. So this is the constructor. compute ratio. And we'll return definitions divided by a casting it to double of pages. So we're casting the pages variable to a double. Create another method, public void set definitions. It takes a parameter in num definitions, and it's a mutator method. We'll set definitions equal to num definitions. Create another method, public int get definitions, and we'll return definitions. This is a accessor method. Go to the main method, public class main, command line, public static void main, string array args, then we'll create an object. So object creation, dictionary 2, object of type dictionary 2, dictionary 2, call it Webster, equals new dictionary 2, and in dictionary 2 we created a constructor that takes 2 parameters. So in this object we're going to have to pass in 2 parameters. So we'll pass in 1500 for num pages and 52,500 for num definitions. System.out.println, we'll say number of pages, and we'll call Webster dot get pages. We'll call the accessor method to get the pages. Call another system.out.println, and we'll say number of definitions, and we'll call our object Webster to get the definitions. Call another print line, system.out.println. We'll say definitions per page, and we'll call Webster dot compute ratio. Save and run. Okay, so what the number of pages is 1500, and the number of definitions is 52,500, and the definitions per page is 35.0. So it's the same output as the other program that we did, except in this program we use the super keyword to access the parent's constructor. So dictionary2 extends book2. So dictionary2 is the child class and book2 is the parent class. So in dictionary2 we have access to all the variables and methods in the parent class, but we can't access the constructor. So to access the constructor, we have to use the super method, which we called super here. We said super num pages. So this num pages here in our parameter, it's being passed to the super reference here. So it's the num pages is being passed into the super reference. So it's saying super. So book2, it's going to call the constructor here. So we're passing in, so it's saying pages equals num pages. So we're saying we're using this num pages to initialize pages. So now this pages is equal to this num pages that we passed in a parameter when we created the object Webster of type dictionary2. Hope it helps.